Today I'm going to take you through a 20-minute beginner rings workout you can do as a follow along with me. All you need is one pair of these gymnastic rings. I'm going to kick it off with a brief bodyweight warm-up, doing 1 round, 4 exercises, 40 seconds each. The first exercise can be done standing or kneeling down. I'm going to do it kneeling down so I fit better into the camera shot. We're going to do some angel wings, opening out the chest and shoulders. So coming back round and opening out, leaning forwards the whole time, feeling that nice stretch around the chest and around the front of the shoulders. From here, we'll be going into some assisted deep squats using the rings. So we stand up and then we're just gonna squat nice and low, full depth, back up. You're just using the rings to stop you from falling back when you're in the base of your squat. We wanna maximize the stretch of the ankles. Try not to let your tailbone collapse under too much. Next up, I'm going to do some scapular pull-ups. So if you come onto the floor, you're going to pull the shoulders back and then relax out. So we're keeping straight arms. You can do this with bent legs or with straight legs. It's absolutely fine how you want to do it. If you're finding it too hard to get any movement, I recommend coming more upright. The more horizontal you are, the more difficult these are going to be. We've got relaxed elbows, just pulling the shoulder blades back and then relaxing forwards. And then finally, we don't need the rings for this one. We're just going to do some inchworms, so hinge at the hip, walk out into a press-up position, walk back to touch your toes, stand up and repeat. So hinge, walking out into that press-up position, walking back, standing up. So hinge, reach the hamstrings, walk it forwards, finish your rep. Okay, so we've got a short break and then we're going to go into the main workout. We're going to do 5 exercises, doing 40 seconds on with 20 seconds off to switch between exercises. We'll be doing that for a total of 3 rounds. The first exercise we're going to do is some ring press-ups. Now you can make this more difficult by being more horizontal, putting the rings lower down. You can make it easier by being more upright. So I want you to start with your hands in an overhand grip like this, and we're going to do a quarter turn on the rings as we come through. So you're going to give the rings a quarter turn, coming nice and deep, and then pressing through. So add that quarter turn in. I want the elbows to be tucking in nice and tight to the sides. I often see people flaring the elbows out wide. That doesn't translate very well over to other ring movements to progress onto. It's also not great for the shoulders. I like to keep coming forwards until the ring makes contact with the peak of my bicep. And I want them just underneath the shoulders. Always finish your rep, don't worry too much about the timer. Okay, so we're going to flip it around and do the exact opposite now. We're going to do an inverted row. As I said, you can do this with bent knees, or you can do them with straight legs. Just so I fit better in the camera shot, I'm going to do them in a bridge position with bent knees. But feel free to do these standing with straight legs. So I've got a nice straight line from my knee all the way up to my shoulder. And if I had straight legs, I'd have a nice straight line from my feet all the way up to my shoulder. I'm putting that quarter turn back on, just like I was in the press up. So I'm starting with an overhand grip. I'm gonna quarter turn, pull the elbows past the body, nice proud chest as I pull through the rings. Working the back and biceps of this one. Great job. Okay, next, we're gonna hit the triceps. And we're gonna use one of the rings for this next one. I'm gonna take my hands over the top of the ring like this, and we're gonna do a tricep extension. Bring your biceps next to your temples. You drop the ring back behind your head, and then extend to straight. I see people usually try and go too horizontal on this. You want a fairly upright position. And if it's hurting your shoulders, you're probably overextending your shoulder. So make sure your biceps are staying next to your temples for the whole set. So don't bring your shoulders up too high. Lock the elbows out, tense the tricep, but get that nice deep stretch behind the head. Great job. Okay, we better get the lower body involved. We're going to do some alternating pistol squats. Don't worry if you can't do a pistol squat. We're going to do them assisted with the rings. And you're just going to use the rings as much or as little as needed. So you're basically doing alternating single leg squats. Go as low down as you can. That might mean going all the way down like I am, or it might mean just going halfway down, whatever suits you. And you're trying to minimize the help of the rings. I try and not use them at all really at the first part, and as I get towards the bottom, maybe add a little bit of assistance to stop me from falling back. Onto our final exercise of this first round. We're going to do some ring rollouts. This is similar to an ab wheel rollout. I want you to avoid arching your lower back. So bring the belly button drawn in. You're going to reach out and then draw the hips back. Straight arms. So we're almost holding this hollow body position. So glutes should be tensed. Belly button drawing in. You don't want to be all arms or all hips. It's going to be a mix of the two. All right, great job. Let's just give the arms a little rest. There's round one. We've got 2 more to go, and that'll be this workout complete. If you found that a little bit too easy, I recommend lowering the rings down a little bit so you're a bit more horizontal in some of those movements. If you found it too hard, just try and pick slightly more upright positions. So get yourself ready to go with those push-ups. And we're going to put a quarter turn, elbows tucking in fairly tight around your sides, getting a good depth through the rings. Opposite now, so that was for the chest, shoulders and triceps. This next one, inverted row for the back and biceps. Remember, you can do it standing up straight, or you can do it in more of a bridged position, but still maintaining a straight line between the knee and the shoulder. Onto that tricep exercise. So hands coming over the top of the ring. Remember, biceps are going to stay next to the temples. Hands drop behind the head. Extend to straight. Squeeze the tricep and repeat. Onto the alternating assisted pistols next. Get ready for that ab exercise. Obviously it's also working your lats and your triceps. Really try and have a little mix of hips opening but also arms opening. Keep the glutes tense, avoid any overarching of the lower back. Well done. 2 down, 1 to go.
If you want to take your training to a new level, consider joining my TPT Virtual Studio. This members area gives you exclusive access to an extensive follow-along video library not available on YouTube. It also includes written workout plans you can do at your own pace, taking the guesswork out of training and optimizing your results. Learn to fuel your body for success with nutrition resources, from meal plans to dietary strategies that work. To check it out, follow the link in this video's description after your workout.
Onto that tricep exercise. Try and keep a fixed angle of the hips, so you're pivoting on your toes, tensing your triceps at the end of the extension, dropping nice and deep behind your head with your hands. Onto the pistols next. Try and keep that heel on the floor during these. We want to develop some ankle mobility. Onto the final set of the workout now, those ring rollouts. And that's it. Workout complete. Thanks so much for joining me for that. Let me know in the comments below. How did you find it and where in the world are you following along from? I really do love to hear that. Here's another video if you fancy keeping this workout going that you could do right now. And I'll link a quick cool down stretch if you're ready to do some stretches here. See you again soon for another workout.